everyone, how are you? Today I am Bhumi. Welcome you all in my channel Films of Food. Today I have brought a very easy and tasty recipe of Dahi Vada without cooking fire. So come on, let's start. Do you know, this I'm going to make without any fire and with bread. You will really like it. It will be awesome, so come on. These are the ingredients that will be used for our recipe. So come on, without any further delay, let's start. Here I have taken a bowl, and in this bowl I am going to add a half cup of milk. I am going to add a half cup of water. Here I have a bread. I have just cut its corners. Now I am going to dip it's both the size in the solution we had made. Now we have to take it out and just squeeze it. I have squeezed it. Now we have to just make a roll out of it. We just have to gently just roll it. Now when it's rolled, just put your finger and add one cashew and one kishmish inside it. Now we again have to roll it. It's done and it's looking very pretty. Now in the same way we have to prepare the other. There is a tip to get perfect balls in this way. So we have to just squeeze it very well and just roll these. Now let us come to the main step. So here I have just kept these in a plate. Now I am going to add in each of them some imli chutney. We have to add curd, add green chutney. We have to add 2 pinches of jeera powder. We have to add a pinch of red chili powder. We have to add salt according to our taste. Garnish with some pomegranates. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. So friends, you must have looked that it's looking very awesome and tempting. I'm going to just taste it, and I'm going to tell how tasty and delicious it is. Friends, it's so delicious that I can't even imagine. Like, it is made in 5 minutes. So you also try it and just share and like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.